Another day, another Subaru. So what's going on, guys? It's Gio here, back again for another video. Today we're going to be working on Dhimitri's car. He's putting Whiteline sway bar on his WRX. This beautiful thing right here. Don't pay attention to how dirty his trunk is, I promise. This car's clean. Just look at that fitment right there. That fitment's on point right there. You can see that, huh? Look at that. That bitch poking. Anyway, so we're gonna be putting a sway bar on it. Can you pass me the sway bar, please?
Yes, sir.
Just don't chuck it at my head, you feel me? Please. So we are installing Whiteline sway bar. You see that thing right now? Oh, you can't see it. There you go. Whiteline sway bar, Perrin endlinks. This should be fun on the bun. It's not. He doesn't want to take his exhaust off to make this install easier. So we kind of gonna be fucked. Just putting that out there. You heard me, D? We finna be fucked. Because you don't want to take your exhaust off. No, you won't. You lying. You ain't finna take that thing off. Anyway, so when you do this, you actually want to take off your exhaust. But we're gonna go ahead and jack up the car. Our jack points are from the diff, and then we put the jacks on the left and the right side. So obviously back left of the side skirt, there's a spot weld or a weld there that you put the jacks on, so that way it holds the car up. And then we'll be able to go ahead and take off the old sway bar and then put on the new sway bar with the end links. Your kit should come with grease to grease up the bushings that you're going to use to hold the sway bar in place. And then I'll go ahead and show you guys how to put the Perrin sway bar end links on, because depending on the stiffness that you want, will determine how you put the Perrin end links on the car. He also has adjustable camber arms, so it shouldn't be that hard. If anything, it'll be easier than putting it on a stock control arm like what I have on mine. So we'll go ahead and put you guys on the time lapse, so that way you guys can see us jack up the car, I guess, or I'll just check back in with you guys when we jack up the car. Or we just won't jack up the car and just do it on the floor. Yeah, we could do it on the floor, right?
What?
Yeah, we'll do it on the floor.
What?
We'll just do everything on the floor. Don't worry about it.
How the fuck are we gonna do that?
What do you mean, bro? We don't need to jack up shit. So in the small amount of time that we literally went away from the camera, it's about to rain. And that's Dhimitri behind me. This boy out here working in Crocs, bro.
Hell yeah, man.
I fucking guess, dog. But what we did was we put the car up on 4 jack stands because he also wants to do a tire rotation. I didn't sign up for that shit. But I guess you guys are going to be along for the ride to see this during the rain, I guess. How to install the sway bar, as I already stated before. Whatever. I'm used to working in the rain. I've done it before. This is how you know we friends. I'm over here on the ground about to help this man put his sway bar on the floor. Or on the floor. Take it off. But he don't want to take off his exhaust.
Well, you got it unbolted.
Huh? Is it? It's connected on both sides. Whatever. Oh, we'll be fine. Let me grab my chute. Let me put you right there so you guys can see kind of what it is that we're doing. It is getting windy. The fight man coming. Fire man, fire man. Oh, I have a 14.
This is a... What size is this?
This is a 12. Oh. Bro, you don't have to take it off.
Yeah. I don't?
No, we have enough space, dog. Don't worry about that shit.
You sure?
I'm positive. So, the first bolt, which, let me show that shit to y'all. If I can.
What first bolt?
I want to take off the... What? It'll be fine. My camera's on the ground. Literally, look at that shit. Yeah, whatever. Who cares? Whatever.
I'm gonna.
Alright, so, first things first. Alright, so as I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted, there are, alright, I'm gonna have to take y'all off this shit. Alright, so we're starting the process of taking off this shit. He already got everything on jack stands, as y'all can see here. He put it on 4, as I stated before, because he wants to do fucking tire rotation. But what we need to do first is, if you look right here, this is 2 12s, so we need to take these off, and then we need to disconnect the back that's connected to the end link, and then take the end links that are connected. Oops, I got y'all in this guy. Let me just flip this around. Y'all see this guy? Slow as a snail. This guy right here. Look at me. I already finished my tire, bro. That's how you know I'm used to working on Subarus. What'd I tell you? So it's 2 12s here, and then the 14 is what holds the top. But we didn't take that off because we just, since he's getting rid of the whole sway bar and end-link connection. Damn, bro. Can't even let a brother talk before you just do shit. God damn. But yeah, so I took off my whole side, just waiting on him. Got his weird Allen bolts. But yeah, we going on to the next. Oh, also, I told this man it was gonna rain. It rained. It's raining right now. Oh shit! Look at that sexy ass Subaru over there. Y'all see that? Damn, you can't even see it. It won't focus. 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 Y'all see that sexy ass Subaru over there? Yeah, buddy. Look at that shit. Shit look baller as fuck in the rain. Can you see?
Yeah, you can see. I'm gonna move in. Yeah, now you can see like that you're trying to squeeze those 2 aluminum spacers.
Fucking position.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Is it close? It looks close.
Relatively close.
Yeah, bro, your hands are crusty.
You. Your car is fucking crusty, bro.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
It's the northern hospitality underneath there, bro.
See that shit.
They welcome you with a whole lot of salt and potholes. But, you know, now we're in Florida. We're able to, you know,
Fuck you,
we're cool
dude.
now. We're cool now, man. The car's not gonna rust out too bad. Alright, you want me to help you?
No.
Why not?
You've done enough.
It's my car.
I know it's your car. Right now you're Dustin Williams. Everybody else does everything for you.
Yeah, I like the white body kit.
This is like the worst fucking part.
Yeah, that's like...
This is the only fucking hard part. God damn it, Perrin.
It's not like that on the front, right?
You asking me like I've done it.
I don't know, bro. I never see people install front fucking endlinks.
You know why? Because they don't need to. I already told you, the car's stiff as fuck.
Yeah, it needs to be stiffer, dog. More stiff, bro. Don't you see these wide boys, bro? How you think these things need to be tucked? Oh, look at that. Yeah, it's terrible. Terrible filming, but... Alright. Take a breather. Look at this, man.
Fuck yeah, dude.
This man's sweating, bro.
You got me fucking fighting fucking shit here. Fucking fighting steel shit, bro.
Alright. I have a hammer. You want to use the hammer a little bit?
What is the hammer gonna do for me?
The hammer's gonna allow you to get into play or not.
I didn't even have to do this on the other side, bro.
Yeah. This is the driver's side, bro. Yeah, I'd be careful. This is the driver's side, bro. You know what that means? This side is cursed. I'm telling you, bro. This is the side that rubs the most. This is the side that, like...
This is the side that you got me doing all this bullshit on?
Yeah. It's the left side, bro. You know what they say about the left side?
I don't know what they say about the left side. What do they say about the left side, dude?
I don't know.
I cannot, bro.
Alright, I'm gonna cut this.
All I'm finna say is fuck that car. Fuck that dude's car. Fuck your car, Dhimitri. Look at my fucking nails, bro. Look at that shit. Look at that. Dirty. Can't even see it because it stay focusing on my face. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. You see this foolishness? You see what I gotta deal with? We just finished putting on the sway bar on this man's car. Fuck his car. Fuck his car. That shit was annoying.
It's gonna be planted, bro.
Yeah, it's gonna fucking 3-wheel on your massive fucking wheel spec.
Hell yeah. That's what we wanted.
Anyway, let me show you guys what we fucking completed. Jesus, man. I hate being on my back. I'm sure that is what she said. Alright, so as you can see, we have the fucking... Oh, you can't see on that side, but there we go. You can see the Whiteline sway bar right there. What was it, 24 mil?
What?
23 or 24?
It's a 23 mil.
23 millimeter sway bar. You got it all on, torqued everything down to spec.
And it's on the max setting.
It's on the hardest setting. That's what she said. So we're gonna go ahead and rotate his wheels and tires, and then hopefully go take the car to go get washed. My car hasn't been washed in like 2 weeks, and then I did the whole autocross and shit on it. So there we go. So yeah, so we definitely need to clean his fucking car, especially because we have our handprints on it, and I need to clean my car as well. So we're gonna go to the car wash, wash the cars, and then we'll see what other things he wants to do on his car if we're coming back for another day, but I hope not. I pray to God that we don't. Alright guys, that's it for this video. It was a pleasure showing you guys nothing, literally. Besides me struggling trying to get fucking Perrin bushings in.